toward my journey back. I'm sure my mom and them are waiting on me somewhere down here. Yeah, it's crazy. It's a sidewalk right here. I'm walking down the sidewalk. Just like normal any other day. Bam! There it is. Sidewalk. Go this way this time, I guess. Walk through the water. There's somebody's yard over there. Hey, 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 hey. Somebody's yard. House across the street on the creek. Wow, look at it. It's the road. Covered in water, the whole entire road. My feet are sucking wet anyway, so it don't matter to me. Of course, there's the caution line when I'm supposed to go across. It's crazy. Never seen it flood this bad before. Man, the second waterfall is gone. There's no second, the second waterfall? None. It's not even there. It's not even there. I don't know where Mom and them went. I think they left me. I'm walking home. Oh well. Won't kill me. Get a little walk. Get my exercise. Oh. Stretch my ankles out. Yeah, they're gone. They left me. Oh well. Just a walk. If you want to walk home, look at here. This is across the street from the creek. Feet are cold. Wow, look at that. I can't believe that. Yeah. Wish I'd have wore a hoodie. My ears are cold. Glad it ain't that far from home. Especially with these soaking wet feet. As long as I keep them moving, though, I'm okay. Ooh. I can't walk this many a time, huh? Rode my bike. Here's the other side of Pendleton. Nice, ain't it? I'd rather show you that field full of water. Look, even they got a little puddle in their yard. That was nuts. Never seen it that bad. I've seen it flood, but not over that bridge. That was crazy. It was over the bridge. It's never been over the bridge. Not that I know of. This is like one of those reality videos. I'm trekking out here in the cold, wild north side of Pendleton. Lots of good people around here. I gotta be careful. You know, this is the rich side of town. Gotta be careful right here. Let's see, they went in front of it right there. He was so nice, he waved at me. Gotta watch it more. Man, I ain't never seen it flood that bad though. That was crazy. Alright, I'm recording just to be recording now. At least my shoes are comfortable. It's dropping out here big time. Can you say code? Code? Can you say code? Start to get code. Coming up on Water Street, of all names for a street, Water Street. How about that? Funny. Water Street. Surprised it's not underwater. My long trek home. Sorry if the camera's jumping, it's because I'm limping. Left foot ain't quite back right. It's getting there. Ain't quite right yet though. Right now, but almost seen that accident, boy. That's all you're on. I think it was pretty truck. I really like this house up here coming up. I'll show you. I like both of them, but I like the one on the left the best. This is nice. It's big. It's big. Big add-on in the back and all that stuff. Right. Nice, right? Then we got the one I like. That one's nice. I like that one. Big, huge old stones and all that stuff. It's so nice. Porch. No, it's got a basement, so that's a 4-level house. That was funny. See something funny? You got this little bitty house. Look at these big old houses and it's right there next to him. Little bitty house. Down south we call that a shotgun house. Let's see, here's the house again. Check it out. Trees. There's way back up in there too. Nice, huh?